Hi ladies and gentlemen, and Christoph the Polish Geek welcomes you to another video in the Nature Adventure series. And this time we are gonna explore the area close to my house, actually like one train stop away from my house in the small town of Pruszków. And we're about to explore the trail around Utrata River, or in Polish Utrata River, rzeka Utrata. Yep, we're gonna explore a trail around Utrata River, and it's gonna be this type of trail. It's actually a pretty recent trail. I mean, the river has been here for the longest time, even long before I was born actually, but the trail around this river is actually pretty recent. So let's explore this trail around Utrata River. That's the entrance to the trail. This actually isn't Utrata River yet. This is more like something close to it, but let's go down the trail. Let's go. I really love the greenery and all that, and the sound of singing birds. This is amazing. And you can hear the plane up above. It's flying above us. And this is a train which leads from my house to this place, or to the city of Warsaw. Actually, I use this train quite a lot actually. It's called WKD, which would translate to English WKD, because that's the company of those trains. And here we are. We're about to get close to Utrata River. Yup, that's Utrata River. And you can see some plants inside the river, and this is the bridge. You can cross the bridge and explore, but you can also go this way along further down the trail. And you can also see some ducks already. Let's go down with the trail. Yup, the river, and you can see ducks. See? Ducks in the river. Where's this guy going? What is he eating? Let's go further down the trail. Still, the ducks are there. They seem to have a nice feast, actually. Animal, clearly, but it's hidden away. And now even more of the Utrata River. It's so green, such a green, amazing scenery, and right next to the river. So amazing being out here. and here seems like a smaller river or a stream, while Utrata River is right on the other side. Let's keep going. And I can see a bridge already there, pretty far away. Let's keep going. Unfortunately, the bridge is closed. We can't cross the bridge, unfortunately. Looks like we have to go all the way back now at the end of the trail. But let's look still at the waterfall from this way. Let's look a little bit closer at the waterfall. A fake waterfall because it's made thanks to the bridge, but still. We can't go on the bridge, so let's just go back then. Let's just go back. That's all we can do now. And as we are going back, maybe let's take some more looks at the river. There's clearly a current there. So green, such a greenery, so green everywhere. Green. Getting closer and closer. You can already see the bridge actually. Oh, and a duck is swimming right there. Well, we're on the bridge now, so now we can see two sides of Utrata River. There we go. Oh, and even more ducks, see? More ducks, and clearly a very strong current. And some plants inside still. But here you have it, folks. Whole view of Utrata River. Okay guys, so that concludes yet another video in the Nature Adventure series, and that was a pretty interesting walk around down the Utrata River. Really nice river with some really interesting and very beautiful green sites. So yep, that concludes another video in the Nature Adventure series. Now I'm soon about to board a train that you actually did see on here back to my town, back home. And thank you guys for checking out another video in the Nature Adventure series. Press the like button, please subscribe to this channel, and I will talk to you soon in another video. Talk to you then, Bye.